Hi. In today's video, we'll examine the Chroma Key in Openshot Video Editor. You can use the URL I supplied in the description area below to obtain this Openshot program for free. Chroma Key is a video editing effect that can be used to make an object or film's background color, such as a green or black screen, invisible. I've already background YouTube subscribe button with the background image as a prototype. The video clips and materials are available for download. In the description section below, I have included the URL. We'll begin by dragging the background to the desired layer. The background picture layer. And then drag the green background button video over it. The next step is to select the Chroma Key effect under the Effect tab. Then move the Chroma Key over the video clip with the green background. The video contains a green background. Then shall arrive at the Chroma Key property by clicking it. Then change the fuzz at the effect property by at least 30 and up to 100. Next, double-click the color black at the color key value. And a new color window, choose green to overlay the video. Then press OK. As you may have seen, the green background is no longer present. Finally, already understand how the Openshot software's Chroma Key function. Please remember to like and subscribe for future videos regarding Openshot video editing. Thank you for watching.